At monday.com, we've made it easier than ever to remain organized while collaborating with your growing team. Say hello to Workspaces. Gone are the days of scrolling through countless boards and folders. With Workspaces, you can keep your team laser focused by dividing your projects however you'd like. To create a workspace, start by clicking here. Let's add workspaces for each department so teams can focus on the projects they need. Next, browse all workspaces in your account from here and click into any workspace to subscribe individuals or even entire teams. Now team members can focus only on workspaces and projects relevant to them. And using this dropdown, they're able to quickly change workspaces on the fly. While open workspaces are available on all plans, enterprise users can add a layer of permission with closed workspaces. Any team member can join an open workspace. In doing so, they'll be able to see all main boards and any private or shareable boards they've been invited to. When switched to closed, team members must be added by a workspace owner or the account admin in order to gain access to the main boards inside. Let me show you why this matters. Meet our new HR rep, Andy Bernard. I could spend time switching boards to private and inviting him to each one. Or by creating a closed HR workspace, he'll have access to everything he needs in a matter of seconds. Need to move boards around? No problem. You can right-click the board title in the left pane and select the correct workspace to move your board into. Quick tip, to keep things extra tidy, try adding folders. Finally, let your team's personality shine by customizing each workspace. Workspace owners can adjust the icon, color, and even add a fun cover photo by clicking here. There you have it. Thanks to Workspaces, you'll spend less time scrolling and more time getting things done. That's it for now. Click here for more tips on getting started with monday.com.